बाइंडर एक एक्सिपिएंट है जो कि ग्रेनुलेशन स्टेज के ऊपर यूज़ होता है टेबलेट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के दौरान में। आज हम बाइंडर के मुताबिक डिस्कस करेंगे और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। Binder is an excipient used in tablet formulation to produce cohesive strength to the tablet and hold the active pharmaceutical ingredient and other excipients together. It also improves the compressibility of the powder mixture, which aids in the formation of tablets with the desired shape, size, and hardness. बाइंडर्स पार्टिकल्स को जोड़ता है और दाने की शक्ल बनाता है ताकि मशीन कंप्रेस मशीन के अंदर फ्लो कर सके। तो यू कैन से कि बाइंडर्स वर्क बाय agglomerating the particles in the mixture and increasing the particle size, hereby improving the flow properties of the powder mixture. This results in a uniform distribution of the active ingredient and other excipients in the tablet. Binders also provide adhesive properties which help in the bonding of the particles during the compression process. Types of binders. There are three types of binders. Binders तीन किस्म के होते हैं. Number one, natural binders. मसलन Acacia, Gelatin and Starch. Number two, synthetic binders. मसलन polyvinyl pyrrolidone, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose and ethyl cellulose. Number three, semi-synthetic binders such as methyl cellulose and sodium carboxy methyl cellulose. Selection of the binder. Binder को कैसे choose करें? It depends on the properties of the active ingredient and other excipients used in the formulation, as well as the desired tablet properties such as hardness, disintegration time, and dissolution rate. The binder is typically added to the powder mixture in a specific ratio, and the resulting mixture is compressed into tablets using a tablet compression machine.